Hello, my name is Janine Abrams, and this is my video presentation for Prevention Intervention Framework. In this video, I will walk you through the framework and how I've created and used 3 classroom resources to support learners at each stage. You'll see of original resources I have made, and I have explained how they help and support learning in the universal target in 10 stages of intervention. Through this prevention intervention framework is a tied system that supports learners with varying needs through the 3 main stages. Prevention number 1, there is for all the learners and includes high quality teaching strategies to build foundation skills. Early intervention, the, the, the support small groups of learners who may struggle but slightly and need of additional help. Individualized intervention, this is for learners who need constant one-on-one support with personalized strategies. Each stage helps identify students early, preventing long-term academic struggle. This is my word family tree poster. As you can see here, I've got bun, bed, and zip. The E sound and the I sound, where they also the I they use for bun. This is also what I done. They will stick and they can turn around, but saying this is bun. As you can see, I'm turning it around and bun. So this is my word family tree. My example, I've pasted on my wall where the class can also see. This resource fits into prevention stage because it is used during whole class instructions. It encourages learners to recognize spelling patterns and build their phonics skills in collaborative visual way. It supports vocabulary development and word recognition. My second resource is set of small group words such as a word family, bingo, or matching cards. These games help reinforce phonics concept is into fun, engaging way. I use the intervention stage. Learners who need extra practice and specific patterns can play these games in small groups, which allows for more interaction, guidance. It is a great way to revisit concept without making you feel like a test. So this is my flashcards turn over, where my learners also use these. My third resource is individual literacy tracker. This is used during the intensive intervention stage where I support learners one-on-one. Each learner has a folder where we will track word family mystery as high frequency and their reading progress. This helps personalize support monitoring growth over time and adjust instruction based on specific needs. I'll show you now my poster where I've made actually a game where they track and where they do the 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 reading or and the sounds. This is where they start. They will roll the dice and they will count until, say for instance, they roll 3. Then there were 1. That's the start line. 1, 2, 3. They have to pull and then they have to read the sum and I have some sweets. So the learner has to read and engage with this sound and the sentence while the sound, and this is how they will start reading out a sentence. As I earlier also said, this helps personalized support, monitoring growth over time, and adjust on specific needs. These are the 3 resources: Word Family posters, small group games, and individual literacy tracker. Each support a different level in prevention intervention framework. They are flexible, engaging, and help build a strong foundation in literature. Thank you for watching my presentation. Please find my PowerPoint slideshow attached to this video, and video link is on the final slide. I appreciate your time. Thank you.